guys, it's me, Mr. Mainatan. If you don't know me, I'm Tanishka and I'm hoping you subscribe to my channel below. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video.
To myself, what a wonderful world.
So guys, meet my two dear friends, Sushi, Amos, and today, as you've read by the title, we are going to be doing a challenge that is who's most likely to challenge. So let's get on with the challenge.
So Mr. Maniac Tan has a bunch of questions which he'll ask us, and
we have to say who's most likely to do that particular thing. So
Yes.
it's very fun.
amongst we three.
You can see how fun it is when I face.
So let's start with the first. Let's start with the first question. Most likely to make a prank call.
Amos.
I know it's Tanishka because no, it's Sushmita.
I'm taking my name.
It's Tanishka because this girl pranked me. Go on her channel, check that video. That was me who was bench. Who was
I think
getting
it's
pranked. And the thumbnail is so clickbaity.
Okay. So the next question is, who's most likely to double date?
Tanishka. Why? I'll tell you. Wow.
This guy. This guy.
See,
What about you?
Sushmita is in a self-imposed jail right now. She's like, iska look, iska look.
Okay. I would be Amos.
I would be Amos. So I would be Sushmita.
No, I mean my answer would be Amos
Okay, then I'll be Tanishka. Because I don't have anyone else.
because he has dated two girls, not one at a. He has dated one at a time, but he has dated two girls.
Secrets out.
Yeah,
Secrets out.
He had two
it's
girls.
the past.
Okay. Who's most likely to pull a push door?
Me! I have
Sab-
done that
sab
so
karte.
much. I literally
Sab
I bashed one guy, one customer, I just bashed him and he ran the store and he never came back. The shopkeeper was like, you fucking lost me a customer. That was a bad day. I had to take extra things.
Stop it. Get some help.
यार
Yeah.
कौन नहीं करता है? Okay. Who's most likely to have pretended to be sick to avoid school or work?
Amos.
Amos.
Yeah, I am.
Because he is the very notorious one. So
I'm
there is
not
no
notorious, okay? I'm just
He can do that. And he has done it.
Losing one day is not gonna keep us, away from success, Just
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Okay.
okay.
So the next one is, who's most likely to ignore social media requests from a co-worker?
This girl,
No,
she checks
then-
social media once in 15 days. Literally.
कुछ
She's
नहीं.
like a fortnight,
No, not
not
like
the
that.
game,
नहीं.
the real one.
No, not like that. मैं एक दिन में सिर्फ एक ही बार check
And
करती
you
हूँ
can
social
just
media,
watch
उसके बाद
Sushmita
नहीं
open
check
her mouth right now. Just
देखो क्या
double
होता है?
tap on the left, you'll watch Sushmita open her mouth.
करती।
me. Because I do that often.
she's very introverted.
Not introverted, but I am like कि अगर इन लोगों से ज्यादा टच में नहीं है तो फिर नहीं फॉलो
Yeah, exactly.
तो मेरा नाम क्यों लिया फिर?
Cause तू 15 दिन में एक बार इंस्टा
कुछ
तो वो उसका एक्टिविटी है ना.
हाँ.
This is not about activity. This is whom she'll ignore.
I thought this video was who's most likely to and not 2-on-1 wrestling.
If you do 2-on-1 wrestling.
So what do you do?
Okay, who's most likely to keep a gratitude journal?
What is a gratitude journal? I'm out of the race. I'm
What
out
they are
of the race.
grateful for, they write it.
Sushi, because she writes a lot.
Me. I would-
She has, sketching, this, that, comics, everything.
So
Stay
she-
tuned on her channel and her Instagram. She'll be posting a lot of it.
I like
Sushmita.
writing events, everything. I like writing everything down.
She is a full computer. हर एक event याद है इसको. By heart. Okay.
Also, it's her birthday as of 1st July. So
Yes.
write down in the comments.
Happy birthday.
Happy belated birthday.
Who's most likely to cheat or to win a game?
Yes.
Amos.
Yes. It's not
Fairly
the way.
Amos.
It's not the way,
Amos.
it's the win that counts.
I would take my name because I
तू
do
कभी
that.
cheated?
Yeah, when it comes to games, she's very, very, very gamey. What do you call it? I don't know the word. What do you
Very
call it?
possessive.
Yeah, very possessive to
Yeah.
winning. She can do anything. She can forget her own mother. She can literally be like, "Who are you, woman?" And
I'm not like that, okay? You see, when I play with small kids, na, then I harass them a bit, but then ठीक है.
Harris. Guys, it's sexual asphyxiation.
Ah, not that harassment, okay? It's like I will beat them or I will,
Next question. Who's most likely to have a tattoo they regret?
This girl.
I have tattoos, but I don't regret getting them.
I guess Amos. Because उसके दिमाग में पता है, कभी भी ऐसे random thoughts आ जाते हैं and if
इसके
you
tattoos है, मेरे tattoos
हाँ.
हैं, but I don't regret it.
हाँ, so if he does a tattoo and later on he would be like, oh fuck, मैंने ये किया.
It's the same thing, like I'll write.
हो सकता है one day he may write a
Girl's name.
Yeah, maybe
Like
he's one of
Sonali.
his ex and he would be like, hey, fuck.
Now I gotta laser this shit.
Not laser, you can just overwrite it with something and
अच्छा मतलब सोनाली लिखा है and I have to find a girl named Sonal and I have to be like I रब कर दो.
ना
Don't worry guys, I'm already dating Sarah.
ये कुछ नया सुनने को मिला.
Yeah. It's so fun.
Next question. Who's most likely to yell in public?
Amos.
This person, he has done that.
But I feel क्योंकि मैं बहुत चिल्लाती हूँ.
Yeah, I also am very loud as a person.
Same, I'm also loud. I'm very
Sushmita
loud.
is a kind of a girl who's like, yeah, so tell me, tell me what's going on. Tell me no. So she's that kind of a person. While we are like, हाँ बोलना venture, बोलना.
He has done that many times. He has done.
Yeah,
that.
because of that, attract a lot of public attention.
No, I remember one incident when we were, hanging out and there was this small boy, okay, 1 year one. He fell down and his forehead was bleeding.
Oh.
And he came, started laughing so loud. And you started laughing. No.
I was like, कौन मर गया man?
Yeah, he yelled at, he shouted, he was like, "Kaun mar gaya?" And literally everyone
mother.
was looking at him and I was
Damn.
like, what the hell
I
are
was
you
like,
doing?
you turn out of there.
He does that, that's why.
Lol.
And the people judge her because she's standing with me.
So, who's most likely to re-gift something that was gifted to them?
Tanishka.
I don't.
Tanishka.
कुछ भी.
Just likely.
Amos.
अच्छा, मतलब-
100%.
So this is that game कि if you don't know anything, Amos.
कुछ भी नहीं. तू
See,
कर सकता है, you're capable
see,
of.
for this, I would have an exception. I would say Indian aunties.
Son Fafdi.
Yeah. Because every Indian house, you have that one person, which is a woman, obviously.
Oh, obviously.
Like a grown-up woman. She would be like,
Sexist, feminist, Emma Watson, you can tweet this. Oh shit.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh shit.
देख लो. Shit यार.
Yeah, so we are still in Corona. I mean, we are not in Corona.
सबको पता है.
We are in lockdown. We just
हम
met.
लोग precautions ले रहे हैं.
Yeah, we.
so it's a very
social
enclosed
distancing is
room, so
followed.
we don't have any
Yeah,
corona.
before-
And sanitizer,
before
everything, mask
entering,
is
yeah.
being used. Next question. Who's most likely to take the best selfies?
Sushi.
I do it when
Because she removes selfies 25 hours a day.
no,
26. I'm sorry, guys.
no,
कुछ भी.
I don't.
कुछ भी. तेरे लिए कौन है?
मेरे लिए I would say Tannu, because Tannu is also photo addicted and stuff.
I'm the only guy who's not photo addicted.
अभी-
I have an Instagram account for 2 years. I have 6 photos on there.
और अभी हम लोग कितना फोटो सेशन कर रहे
See,
हैं. वो पता चलेगा. Follow us on our Instagram ID.
The thing is, when I am, like in the mood to click photos, that time I click a hell lot pictures. But then when I'm not, I'm like.
तो फिर मतलब भाड़ में जाओ सब लोग. Okay. Next question. Who's most likely to fall asleep during a meeting?
Yes.
I didn't. मैं सो चुकी हूँ कॉलेज में लेक्चर्स के बीच में.
लेक्चर्स के बीच में हाँ हाँ
पर
but
मीटिंग अभी हम लोग
Meeting like literally, it's good we are not doctors yet. Otherwise, it will be like कोरोना का इलाज नहीं मिल रहा है guys, and we are like, I'm sorry, yeah, we were talking about tuberculosis.
I would think Amos because he is really very lazy.
You're taking me where?
I mean, I'm taking your name. I am taking your name.
Yeah.
So I'm saying it's you because you know, what do you are very lazy. That's why.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
he wakes up at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
That is
true.
not true at all.
That is
I have
true.
woken up
We
at
wake up
7
early.
o'clock yesterday, 6 o'clock before that, 5
You
o'clock
utha, wo bhi
before
pata
that.
hai.
You
You
can,
utha,
I'll
you
give
utha.
my mother's number in description, call her. No number in description. No number. But you know, I wake up early. Today also I woke up at 8:30. 8
वो भी क्यों? क्योंकि बर्थडे था
8:05.
इसके लिए.
It was birthday. and
क्योंकि
I
birthday
was
था
very
नहीं
scared
तो-
of the police. So yeah.
नहीं तो सबको पता है ये जल्दी नहीं उठता.
I don't wake up, but I'm trying to fix my sleep schedule.
Okay.
Said.
Who's most likely to be thrown out of a nightclub? Amos.
Why?
Amos.
Why?
Night.
I am the
night
groove, man. I'm the life of the
नहीं
night.
नहीं.
club.
Sorry Arjun. Sushi. मेरा बर्थडे.
Oh shit.
क्या?
Daru, daru, daru.
Sushi. Sushi.
Thrown out. Yeah, I mean. Actually, before they throw out, I myself would be
We'll
like,
throw
घर
up and
जाना है,
be
घर
like,
जाना है,
yeah.
घर जाना है.
Hello, Barun Dulle.
ये है.
I would be actually like that, you know, घर
ये
मुझे
कभी
घर
हुआ
जाना
नहीं है. It's never happened like that. But
Exactly.
कुछ हुआ है इसके अंदर. Sushi. Sushi. 100%. Okay. Who's most likely to have a secret lover?
Me.
Me.
ये दोनों. Secret.
Not me actually.
ये नहीं ये.
Yeah.
ये बहुत secret है.
Because
बहुत.
if
इसको
I-
पसंद है
She
secret.
likes
And
them. She can
especially
keep
if
for
it's a
9
lover.
years also.
It's especially if it's a lover.
बहुत.
Yeah, she can keep a love for 9 years also. without
I've
telling.
kept it. उसके बाद छोड़ दिया ना, ठीक है.
So that was anticlimactic.
Secrets are spilled out.
फिर बोल दिया, फिर वो लोग जाकर उसको बोलेंगे कुछ तो ऐसे ब्लंडर होगा, देन बनने वाली बात ही बिगड़ जाती है. बट ऐसे बोलना
Exactly.
नहीं
You should
चाहिए.
never say. You should always be secretive and be like, when you have to do it, you have to do it.
या खुद से करो.
कुछ चीजों को सीक्रेटिव रखना ही ठीक है.
Exactly.
Don't tell it to your bestest friends also.
I did it literally for 9 years. I didn't tell anyone.
Yeah.
बाद में पता चला.
बाद में जब छोड़ दिया तो
Then
बोल दिया.
everyone know that's okay. That's fast. Question, second last question. Where are we?
We are at the third list.
Obviously.
Who's most likely to blow all the money on an impulsive buy?
Tanishka,
Tanishka.
100%. Like
Kiss
why?
the-
If I
कुछ
give one
नहीं.
credit card and tell Tanishka go to Zara, go to
मैं नहीं जाऊंगी.
H&M, she's gonna be like credit card limit reached in 10 minutes. It's
मैं
like
सुशी का नाम लूंगी. मैं नहीं करती
she's
हूँ.
an impulsive buyer.
I am not.
Okay,
She's an
I
impulsive
too.
buyer.
I can also.
मैं
do
नहीं
that.
हूँ. Actually में मैं नहीं हूँ. लोगों को लगता है कि मैं हूँ पर मैं नहीं हूँ. Impulsive.
लोगों को लगता है मैं वो मतलब क्या? किसने बोला तुझे?
कॉलेज में सब लोग ने बोला.
हाँ.
I guess I am because you know I get attracted to clothes mostly.
Yeah.
अरे सब
So
लड़कियाँ होते हैं.
there was this
कौन
movie
से?
way back in the day called 36 Chinatown, and there was a guy who was so addicted to casino that there was a hand that came through the casino and tried to pull him. So that is Sushi. Every time she sees a clothes store, she's like, "मेरे को खींच रही है, मेरे को खींच रही है."
बट देखो लड़कियों को शॉपिंग करना पसंद है. Whatsoever. तो अट्रैक्ट तो हम होते ही है. लड़कियों को क्या, लड़कों को भी आजकल पसंद
Hello
है.
Emma Watson, yeah. लड़कियों को कुछ तो हो रहा है.
यार. Okay. Next. Okay. Who's most likely to give the best advice?
I would say Tanishka.
I
on
would
this
also
one.
say Tanishka because her mom. If you don't know, her mom is works in all the mental
Psychological
empowerment.
activities, yeah.
Yeah. So whenever you may have any problems with
From the
your
brain.
stress or any other work problems,
Mental
relationship related problems,
Mental.
then her mom actually is a person who can solve it the best. So if you have any problems, you could just go to her mom anytime. It's like, you know,
What was
Best.
what was the Insta channel? Insta
connect with minds.
Connecting with minds.
Connecting with minds.
So go follow her.
Okay, whatever she has told, whatever her mind or her what do you say?
Teachings.
Not teaching, curing or whatever she has done, na, it's in her. So वो है ना, वो whenever we are also in the problem, so she gives that
Yeah,
advice.
she's
कि-
like the third empire. And
Yeah. So, but obviously now she can't be with you guys, you know, like personally. So for that,
जो मेरे close है उनको तो
yeah,
They
now
know.
we can actually meet her, we can talk to her, we can text her, so we can, you know, get the advice. But for you guys, if you guys want it, then just contact her mom. You
or you can contact
DM me.
I will set
DM me
up
on
a
my-
date. I will set up a date after 7 years because Corona.
नहीं, but
Okay.
DM me on my Insta if you
Yeah.
want any help.
DM her, or she'll even put the Instagram link in the description
Yeah.
of her mom's channel, so you can
Yeah.
even DM her on her Insta. So because her mom, you know,
And
is-
don't you dare DM sexy boobs, okay?
Okay, so like, you know, for because see these problems, I know कि people, you know, go to
And
friends and
nowadays कितना ज़्यादा लोग
Yeah,
depressed
mental stress is a lot.
गुजर रहे हैं.
all. You guys need some expertized help. That's why
They-
you should go to someone who is
Who's
specialized in
हाँ,
this.
experience and
And
specialized.
her mom, for a fact, she also knows graphology. Graphology, no, it's called. Yeah.
मतलब handwriting से पता चल सकता है.
sign,
Main
और-
thing is
Handwriting मतलब sign ही.
हाँ,
it's
that
all
is
in the
it.
psyche. You know, today we are meeting after 3 months. And I personally am very mentally relieved because I always had that knot in my head कि यार वो person मिल नहीं रहे. But
इतने
today we are
3
meeting.
महीने के बाद
Yeah.
3 महीने से इतना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए थे घर पे बैठे बैठे तो
Last we had met when we shot Pictionary Challenge. After
Yes,
that
after
she
that we
so
did
many
meet.
videos she made and today we are meeting once again. So yeah,
हम
it's
लोग
a
फोन से अगर आप
insane
लोगों ने
reunion.
देखा होगा रिलेशनशिप एडवाइस सब फोन से ही
फोन
होता
से
था.
वो कोलैब
Yeah.
हो
और
रहा
ऐसे
Connect
कब से
virtually.
प्लान बन रहा था कि मिलेंगे 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 मिलेंगे
So,
एंड
her
फाइनली
birthday was
एटलीस्ट आज
done.
मिले फिर बाद में हम लोग क्वारंटाइन
So-
वापस हो जाएंगे.
Yeah, the police even gave one danda, but we dodged it and
Yeah,
it
nothing like that happened. Nothing like that happened. I came with him. And I
ऐसा
know
कुछ
nothing
नहीं
like that
हुआ.
happened. So I would again suggest you guys, if you want some expertized help or
Mental
suggestions for your mental health or that emotional empowering, so contact her mom. Her name is Rohini Iyer.
Iyer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So call her.
I'll put the
Instagram ID
link in the
description.
description. And also they are Sushmita and Aesthetic Arora.
Arora.
You didn't know she had a YouTube channel also, Aesthetic Arora. Go follow her and
She makes
I'm also
types of people.
Yeah, not
Types
types.
of-
It's
Types of
all.
videos.
It's all
Yeah.
actually. It's
Everything, yeah. It's
there
life.
is- Yeah, and I'm Most Debillo.
Yeah.
If you want to follow
He
him, if you want to follow him, follow. Don't want to follow.
Actually, what now? He doesn't have any YouTube channel, so it's waste of time. You know.
I mean, it's not only YouTube.
YouTube channel है. दो वीडियो के
I
साथ.
put Clash Royale in there, like.
Okay, so.
Okay. अभी is same question but opposite. कि who's most likely to give a terrible advice?
That's me.
I'm also.
Yeah,
Because
I
he
don't
is, you
get
know, very hyped up. तो वो जल्दबाजी में कुछ भी फैसला
I
ले
am
लेता है.
literally the Chandler of this friends group.
ना ना, what he does ना, वो respond नहीं करता और react करता है एक चीज पे. He doesn't take time, think about it calmly and think about the other possibilities or anything. वो just बोल देता है. हाँ, and then फिर he is like, अरे I'm sorry, this that. बहुत बात की.
Yeah, मतलब I express my feelings as it comes out. That's one thing in me. I don't filter it in my brain.
Not filtering, it's like, you know,
Think about it twice.
पहले
Exactly.
calmly you think
I
about
don't,
that situation.
I don't.
So जब खुद का इंसान का ऐसा है तो फिर दूसरों को क्या ही, दूसरों का तो नया डुबा ही देगा ये, छोड़ दो.
Yeah.
I would think Amas.
वीडियो के बीच में.
Is it true emotion?
Okay. The last and the final question is who's most likely to date a like co-worker, no, but any person like your best friend or anyone from
Me.
I would say me.
I am currently dating
मैं
my
खुद का नाम भी लूंगी.
Because see, I don't believe in, you know, dating strangers or new people or anything. I don't know.
मतलब
You should know a
we should
person
know a
internally
person.
fully.
हाँ, because there are
और नो पर्सन ऐसे नहीं होता कि एक दिन में 2 दिन में पता
हाँ,
चलता है.
takes
It
time.
takes time.
It
It
takes
takes
months.
months, years. to
And
know
the
a
thing
person.
is कि you know when a person like there are several dating apps and all, bio से DP से कितना ही पता चल जाता है.
Exactly. And who knows that's true also.
Exactly. And the thing is ठीक है तुम लोगों को अभी सब पता है, आगे जाकर हो सकता है now everything has a possibility. अब पता चला कि 6 साल से इन लोग डेट कर रहे हैं and आगे जाकर ब्रेकअप हो गया तो
Yeah.
पता चला कि इन लोग ऐसे
After
dating
6 months they met and you know
लंबा चला. So
Yeah, they're
there is
married for
nothing like that.
25
But for me, I personally believe कि
We three actually, not even you, we three actually
three
believe
actually.
कि मतलब
No
अपनी
person
सोच
internally.
समझ के पूरा
हाँ.
करके फिर date
once again this is our suggestion that's totally up to you what you feel.
yes.
But you know we feel कि
या हम
knowing a
लोग
person
सोचते हैं
internally
कि
is the best.
हाँ, it all depends. सब अलग अलग चीजें सोचते हैं.
Exactly.
So whatever you are comfortable at. So now that's all for today.
Hey, wait, one question I have here.
Bonus
Oh,
question.
Bonus question.
So, who is most likely to self-sabotage their relationship? मतलब self-sabotage in a relationship.
I would be yeah.
My
I
answer would be
me.
Amos. He has done a lot of time.
So what do you want to say?
मतलब मैंने देखा है तुझे करते हुए.
So whenever I used to, you know, what the fuck? Nice flashlight on. So whenever I used to talk about my relationship problems with these two, so you know, I used to always say कि मैंने ये बोला फिर उसने वो बोला तो it used to always मैं खुद को बहुत मतलब कम समझता हूँ.
जो नहीं
So which is
समझना
not right
चाहिए.
actually. I should you know also feel कि मैं भी कुछ हूँ यार इस दुनिया
हाँ,
में.
exactly.
And तुम भी कुछ हो इस दुनिया में. Whatever you are, wherever you are out now, you will get to where you want to be.
And the thing is ना, see, ताली हाथ एक हाथ से नहीं बज, हाथ एक बोल रही थी.
Everyone in the comments right now.
ये होती है हिंदी.
Yeah, I was a French student, dude.
Same.
So I used to always tell him कि don't self-sabotage yourself, ना, because that
Yeah,
person
have some
also,
self-respect.
that person
Of
also
course.
feels something about you. She also
Self-respect always
She-
comes first.
Yeah, she also thinks
First
that you
yourself,
are
then the other.
कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में हो या ना हो, but self-respect comes. Self-respect, self-care always comes first.
Yeah.
If
I
you don't
always believe कि you know जब तुम खुद को रिस्पेक्ट दोगे ना तभी
That's when
दुनिया
you'll be able to-
रिस्पेक्ट
हाँ,
करेगी तुम्हारी.
और respect and if you love yourself तो तुम दूसरों को भी अच्छे
प्यार
से प्यार
करना-
करो.
हाँ,
Exactly.
exactly. So with that a very positive note, we are
ending this video. I hope you
like,
share
Subscribe.
to my channel and also
Subscribe.
and also
and also subscribe to my channel Aesthetic Aurora, and also follow our Instagram IDs, which is __ Sushmita for me, Blissful Dreams for her, and it's Amos Dimelo
this
for
all
me.
will be placed
Yeah.
here.
And I also have an YouTube account on my Instagram, which is Aesthetic Aurora.
So go and follow right now.
Sorry, you'll get
Okay, so-
YouTube related updates everywhere.
Okay, so bye.
Bye.
Bye.